What happens to your body when you drink cold water every day? There's a common belief that drinking cold water can harm your health, but how true is this? Many are told to avoid cold beverages, fearing they may disrupt digestion or cause other issues. The origins of this myth often stem from traditional practices that emphasize warm drinks for digestion. However, scientific evidence is lacking. In fact, cold water can be refreshing, especially during hot weather or after exercise. It helps to lower body temperature and can even aid in effective hydration. Drinking cold water does not significantly impact your digestive process. The stomach quickly warms any liquid to body temperature, meaning the temperature of the water you consume has minimal effect on gut health. Furthermore, some studies suggest that cold water can enhance metabolism slightly, as the body expends energy to heat it up. It's essential to listen to your body and hydrate in a way that feels comfortable for you. If you enjoy cold water, there's no reason to avoid it. Ultimately, the most important aspect of hydration is to drink enough water daily, regardless of temperature, to maintain overall health and wellness.